What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. All right, guys. So I'm up $12,446 last week, mainly with the run up of stocks. You guys know I'm heavy in Amazon, Microsoft, Google, different stocks and companies. And I had a really good rally last week. Obviously, we can see here from the chart. So it's been a great week. I'm going to do a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end. That's going to be number 57. I'm thinking about doing 100 this year. What do you guys think? Hit me with the 2 if you guys think we should do 100. And I'm also going to be doing some cash giveaways. All right. So I did the last $500 cash giveaway 3 weeks ago. So I'm going to do one pretty soon. Just to be eligible for the giveaways, make sure you guys subscribe. All right. And make sure you guys hit the like, drop a comment in there. And we're going to start off with doing the market review, the market outlook. And we're going to take your chart requests, take your questions, and then we're going to announce the winner. So please stay tuned to the end. All right. All right, guys. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Let's do some shout outs right here. What's going on? Jay, Trading Wars Army. David, Trading Wars Army. What's going on, brother? I appreciate you. Chris, G's, Anna, Ali, Trading Wars Army. Jaybird, Bill Lawrence, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Chris, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Kevin. All right. So we're going to start off here with Nvidia. Okay, so let's go. So Nvidia, I'm going to go to the weekly chart. This is the Fibonacci pyramid on Nvidia that I've been posting for weeks. All right, guys. So I just want to show you this here. So this is my original Twitter post on August 9th, where I was talking about the buys on Nvidia, 115.87, 108.19, and 95.01 with a target of 150. So let's check in on that. So we can see here very clearly, let's go to full screen mode, that the Fibonacci pyramid held strong on Nvidia. This is one of my best plays of the year, and a lot of people have reached out to me and said that they made a lot of money on this trade. So, but right here, guys, the principle, all credit is due to the Fibonacci. I love the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci is the reason why I was so interested in Nvidia. So let's talk about this real quickly, all right? And we're going to just talk about this, the power of risk reward, okay? So we're going to talk about that right now, all right? So the power of risk reward here. So the last swing low on Nvidia was $75.61. So people always ask, well, Rich, how do you find your swing lows? Well, quite simply, guys, if you look at this, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you just follow the sequence, okay? Because each one of these are pullbacks. And this was a major pullback. This was before the stock split. Okay, so this is why I used this as my low, 75.61, and the high was the all-time high, 140.76. So the way the Fibonacci pyramid works is you buy on the 382, you buy on the 50, the 618, and the 786. Okay, so you have 4 levels to buy, but every time you go deeper, you buy more. So when you're on the 382, you buy just light. 50, medium, 618, and 786 are your heaviest ads, and what you'll see here with Nvidia is actually Nvidia gapped down to a low of 90.69, and a lot of people were able to get it around 95. So I don't expect anybody to get it at the exact low, but once we've got below that $100 level, the contingency orders start kicking in. Basically, you can set up orders in the broker, like Interactive Brokers. When Nvidia is below $100, buy me 10 shares, for example. It'll automatically do that. So the contingent order started popping on the gap down. Okay. All these orders are in profits right now, and I'm still targeting 150 on Nvidia. These are really, really strong bullish candles, and so this is the play. Yeah, I'm gonna be going through some new plays in a second. Okay, so that's Nvidia. Hit me with a 10 if you guys are good with that. I'm still looking for 150. Earnings is around the corner, so that's going to be a major catalyst. I'd say anyone that got filled at the $95 mark, please, I'd strongly recommend, it's up to you what you want to do, but I would at least go to break even on this trade right now. Okay, so let's continue. So Amazon, all right. So Amazon, the last Fibonacci leg we had, so there was 2 of them. This is the bigger picture fib, and then we had the smaller fib from this low to high, which did not quite tag the 618, but I was able to get some shares right around the 160 level. Okay, just looking for Amazon to bounce back up using this 50% retracement as well. So I'm in Amazon as well, looking to get back to 200 mark, and that's all going to depend on what's going on in the market, obviously. And I also did take a short that I'm going to talk about in a second. But let's continue down the line. Let's look at Google. So Google, I was able to buy right near the lows. I was really Happy I got in right around this 155, 156 area, and I'm still holding that. The main swing low of 155, 124 has not broken yet, so I'm still in that play. And I actually took a short right now on NQ, so I just wanted to share this with you guys right here. So most of you know that a lot of my portfolio is heavy in tech, right? So I'm long term in tech, right? I have a lot of size in tech. So one of the things that I do to protect my portfolio is I short futures. Hit me with the three if you guys are familiar with that. All right. So I'm shorting. I actually took a short right now on NQ. I'm short using this 618. Okay. And we have here a giant cipher pattern. This is the all-time high. This is the last low in August. And I'm shorting this 618 right now. And it's lining up with this previous resistance. In my opinion, this is the last chance for the bears. If the bears cannot protect this area here, if they cannot protect the 618 and the 786, then we're going to squeeze into all-time highs. So I really believe that this is a great opportunity to look for a good risk to reward short. It's the last line of defense for the bears, and I'm taking a shot with it. Okay. And I need this play as well to help protect. So for example, if the stock market starts crashing for whatever reason, let's say there's war news or whatever, anything can happen, right? If it starts crashing and everything in my portfolio is long, am I going to be up or down? What do you guys think? Hit me with the 1 for up, hit me with the 2 for down. What do you think? So one of the things that you got to do as you get a bigger account is you have to invest in hedging. You have to take hedges. You have to protect yourself. You have to be able to make money both ways in the market, right? Because the concept is in the long run, your good investments should continue to go higher, but in the short run, they can go lower. So how do you protect yourself? You do things like buy puts, you do things like shorting futures, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys in here under the alerts, Fibonacci. I just posted this here with the entry and the stop loss. So everyone is in there. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. All right. So I'm going back here. All right. So Nvidia, Amazon, we talked about. There's three more that I quickly want to look at. I think these are good opportunities. So let's go to SMCI. So I called this out last week for you guys where we touched the 618 on SMCI. So this buy was at 532.33. The next buy is 665.36. Okay, and the target I'm looking for is right around $809. So SMCI, that's such a beautiful textbook Fibonacci hold. Hit me with the 5 if you guys see that. This is what I love about fibs, because generally speaking, a fib, if it's a strong level, will at least give you a bounce. So this is just a regular bounce. You could have taken calls on here, maybe for 50%, 100%, depending on how short-term the calls were. You could have made 100%, 200%, whatever, right? But the fact that we get a reaction on the 618 is why I trade Fibonacci. Because right now, if I took this trade right here at 532.33, I could go to break even on the trade. So not only am I getting a reaction, but I'm getting an ability to protect my risk because it already popped back up. I can move my stop loss up. So that's one of the main reasons I love fibs, and also the fact that it's a discount, right? If you notice, guys, I never talked about SMCI at all. When it was in the thousands, 900, 800, 700, I never talked about it until it came back down all the way to the 618. And I want to teach you guys the mindset of being a deal hunter, okay? With the 2-to-1 risk reward. So let's say, I have Nvidia, SMCI, AMD, Tesla. I have all these trades. With a 2-to-1 risk reward, let's say we take 10 trades. How many trades out of 10 do we need to win with a 2-to-1? So let's say an example is we're risking $100 a trade to make 200. All right, if we're taking 10 trades, how much do we need to win? What do you guys think? Right? So let me type this out here. For every 10 trades with a 2-to-1 risk reward, we only need to win 4 out of 10 trades. Okay? So I'm pretty confident that you guys can win 4 out of 10 trades, right? Do you guys think you can do that? Hit me with a 1. I'm pretty confident you can win 4 out of 10 trades. So the way that we get to that great risk to reward is always by hunting a deal, and I love to use a Fibonacci in order to do that. Okay, and now one thing that I want to show you guys is a little trick. It's called the Fibonacci extensions. So if we look at this SMCI in detail here, let's go ahead from the high and let's bring it down to this low right here. And let me put on the full levels. And what you'll see here, guys, okay, look at this. So this leg on SMCI right here pulled back into the 618, and then the short completed on the 272 extension right here, and that lined up with the 618. Hit me with the 7 if you see that. So this is the new concept that I'm going to be teaching you guys with the Fibonacci extensions into the Fibonacci regular retracements. Very, very powerful tool. So any member right now, anyone with a green in their name, I'm going to be doing the seminar on Fibonacci extensions. I'm going to be doing a free seminar. Anyone in the Discord is going to be free. And anyone that has a green in their name, like RC, David, Janice, I'm going to be doing a seminar soon on Fibonacci extensions. It's going to be a completely different course, and it's going to be completely free. All right. So if you guys want to join the Trading Wars Army, it's only $5.99. Click the join button below. Not only will you get free seminars, but you'll also get free picks that I post every single day. Okay. Where do you place your stop loss for a 2-to-1 risk to reward? So here we go. So let's draw the fib tool, and then we can talk about that. So that's a good question. So here we go. So here's an example, and let's go ahead and put the full Fibonacci's on. All right. So the standard, does the extensions work in TOS? I'm not sure. I don't use TOS that much anymore. But all my charting is always on Tradingview. So let's start off here. So let's say we get long on the 618. Okay. So let me bring this over here. Say we get long on the 618. So your normal stop loss position is usually this swing low right here. Okay, it's your starting point. And then a 2-to-1 risk to reward is going to take you right at this 0.169 extension. Okay, so the 0.169 extension is going to give you a 2-to-1. Hit me with a 5 if you guys see that. What I like to do personally is I like to do two things. The first thing is you can be more aggressive with your stop loss. You can put it on the 90 right there. So now your 2-to-1 risk to reward comes down to right around the previous high. And then if you want to get extremely aggressive, you go to the 786, and then your 2-to-1 risk to reward is even closer. It's right around that 280. Okay. So there's many ways to do it. The other way, joining YouTube is different than joining Discord. Yeah, YouTube has its own picks I post. It's $5 a month. It's for the people with the green in their name. It's mainly stocks. Okay. Free picks every day, swing trades, and giveaways. But if you're in the Discord, you'll automatically get access to the seminar as well. So the other thing you have to understand is you can increase your risk to reward by having smaller losers using trailing stop loss. Okay. So as an example, we'll go back to SMCI. So right now, let's say this was your trade on SMCI. Let's say you went long here. Okay. And this was your stop loss. Now you can get your stop loss below this weekly low, or you can even get your stop loss to break even. So therefore, your average loser is a lot more smaller, and you greatly increase your risk to reward. So you tackle your risk to reward from two perspectives, not only the target, but also the loss mitigation. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So that's very important. Okay. That's how I make sure, that's how I'm able to get sometimes 5 or 10 times my risk to reward. Because if you look at my losers, I don't have big blowouts with my losers. With my losers, I try to keep them controlled, and I try to keep them to as minimal as can with a trailing stop loss. Okay, let's continue. All right. So we went through the outlook on stocks. And one thing that I want to mention to you guys, if you weren't here on the last stream, is Interactive Brokers now has conditional orders on mobile. Okay. So what that means is you can trade options. Like here's an example. So let's say you want to buy SMCI calls when it goes below 532.33. So as soon as it touches the 618, let's say you want to buy calls, you can actually go into your broker and say, buy me SMCI calls, let's say the 550 calls, buy me the 550 calls as soon as it touches this level, and you can automate it completely. You could like set it up right now on your phone and you can go to bed, and then tomorrow if it hits that level, and it'll fill you automatically and you can get in automatically. So conditional orders are on mobile. A lot of times people had problems because it was on Trader Workstation, so you have to go to your desktop. Now it's on mobile, guys. There's no excuse. Okay, everything I teach you guys about automation and conditional orders, you can do it through your phone now, which is huge. All right, are you guys using that? Hit me with the 3 if you are. Okay. All right. So I talked about overall what I'm looking for again, and we'll go through it one more time here. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. So we're at the scene of the crime. This is where the bears took the market down. Okay. Let's look at this drop. It's about almost a 500-point drop, right? And if you look, this 786 is lining up with this previous drop and the previous gap. This is why I'm taking a short right now, okay? But this is a little bit scary here. So you could see, as soon as we tag that 786, we start to push back down. So there are some bears that are trying, right? And that's why I'm taking these shorts right now, is because this is a good risk reward opportunity. Okay. If you're taking it on ES, I'm also looking to short ES. If you're taking it on ES, let's get the short tool. You can come off of the 786. You can risk, maybe a handful of points on this 90 or even the swing high and take this little risk. But the potential reward, if the market does crash, that's a 7-1 right there. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if you guys see that. All right. So that's why I'm taking a short. I think it's a great opportunity, a great risk to reward. All right, let's continue. Okay, so we're going to open it up for chart requests and questions, and then we're going to do the winner of the lifetime Discord. And I already talked about the member seminar coming up. And I just want to say right now, guys, I've been having a lot of success with the $100 lifetime deal. So the Fibonacci Society, so my Discord right now, we have over 1,000 people in the Discord that are all like-minded, looking to get a deal with Fibs. Okay, everybody's trying to get a good 618 Fibonacci. Everyone's trying to get a good deal. Okay, so right now I'm still doing the $100 deal if anybody is interested. So in order, the $100 deal you can purchase on my website right here. For $100, you'll get lifetime access to my Discord. One of the main things that I do that's different than other people is we have the screen share feature right here, this live stream feature. So we normally go live on Thursdays and Fridays. We also go live if there's anything important going on, but generally like Monday, Tuesday, market is very slow. So we just use text. But the live stream Thursday, Friday, Lotto Fridays and stuff like that, you'll get this for life for $100. Okay, and you'll get the Fibonacci Society, or you'll get the stocks room. It's also going to come with the book. Okay, so I've been having a lot of success with the $100 deal, and I'm going to keep it going for the rest of this month. If you want to get the $100 deal, you can go to my website, tradingwars.com, click on the stock options trading. You can buy it right here, or you can email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll send you a link. But the $100 deal is going to come with the book. It's going to be a one-time charge for life. A lot of people will charge you $150 per month, guys. But I think my main focus right now is growing the community to the best that I can. Okay. All right. So let's continue right now. So let's do some chart requests and then wrap it up. Okay. So Apple. So Apple is very much similar to Nvidia, where it's trying to break through to all-time highs. Very similar. So I had this Fibonacci drawn up for a while here. So we had this completion here. This swing low never broke. So this Fibonacci is still valid on Apple, looking to break to new all-time highs. Okay, but I do think there's one more chance for the bears. All right, I still do believe there's one more chance. And that's why I am taking a short on the NQ. AVGO. I don't really follow this name, but I'd say, yeah, very similar to like an Nvidia setup here. Everything that is approaching new all-time highs, basically. So there's going to be one more chance for the bears. They have to turn it. They have to turn it soon. Okay. And if they can't turn it earlier in the week, we're going to see all-time highs. All right. So they need to at least put in a short-term high. Celsius holding, not sure. I don't follow this brother, so I wouldn't be able to talk to it too much. QQQ. So same analysis with the Qs as the NQ right here. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart, you'll see we're on the 618. of this. So the QQQ is the same as NQ. So we're here on the 618 and I am on this short setup. So I shorted the 618 right here. My stop loss is on the 90. And Tesla, yes, forgot to do Tesla. Thank you, brother. So Tesla, so the same game plan for Tesla. I've been telling you guys about the buys on Tesla, 200 bucks, 177, 144, the 3 buys. And Tesla, I'm still targeting 300 bucks. Okay. So all of these, so this last buy is in the money right now. You can take some profits. You can manage it accordingly to if you want to keep it or not. But I still have a long-term target on that. CLSK, Clean Spark. Yeah, I don't trade these names, brother. Unfortunately, I don't, but I'll say there's a nice inside week here. Generally, with inside weeks, you can see some type of increase in volatility. So that could be a potential opportunity as well. All right, guys. Are you guys ready for the lifetime Discord giveaway? Hit me with a 17 if you are ready. So we're going to be doing the lifetime Discord giveaway from this post right here. I'm going to link it in the chat. And in order for you guys to be eligible, make sure you click on both of my guides. And then you have to comment, I'm next. Okay, comment, I'm next on this post. I'll give you guys like 2 minutes to do that. And then I'm going to refresh it. And the 7th comment, okay, the 7th comment from the top is going to be the winner. Okay, the 7th comment. So when you guys are done commenting, please just let me know with a 1 when you're done. Okay, and then I'm going to do that. But yeah, guys, so if you guys are interested, come check me out in the Discord. The live stream is very, very beneficial. We have a newsletter that we've been adding here. So you can see we have like the key levels. We have a write-up. A lot of people have been asking for this newsletter. So we've been doing a newsletter now. So if you guys just want to take a step back and just look at the bigger picture, we have that. So there's a lot of good content that I've been doing with my brother. We've been putting in a lot of work to give you guys. We also have stream recording. So you can join, like if you sign up for the $100 deal right now and you want to come and rewatch what we did last week, you can press the stream recording and then you can rewatch basically everything that happened that we called out live. Okay. And make sure you guys secure that $100 deal. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to do it for, but my goal is probably to get 1,200 or 1,300 people in at the $100 deal. And then I might just stop it and then just think about another way to increase the Discord, because I don't want to have too much going on. There's a lot of work to answer people's questions, a lot of work to deal with adding people and all that stuff. So we'll see what the next steps are. But if you're interested, guys, please secure that. All right. So it looks like you guys are ready to rock and roll. I'm going to refresh right now. So the 7th comment, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here, Alkali Terra, you are the winner. I'm not sure if you're listening right now, but you are the winner. Guys, let's give Alkali some love. TW Army Spy VIP. This is winner number 56, I believe. So don't worry. If you didn't win today, you're going to have another chance. I always come every Sunday and do these lifetime Discord giveaways. All you got to do, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, all right? Cash giveaways are coming too. I'm always going to pay it forward to you guys. I promise I'm always going to try to pay forward what I can and help you guys out. So just show me some love, hit the subscribe, hit the like, drop a comment, comment Fib King at the end of this video. And I don't want you guys to feel discouraged. I'm giving away a lot. So hopefully every single person can have a chance to win something. Okay. So Alkali is the winner. And I just email me, rick@tradingview.com. I'll take care of you. I'm going to retweet this in a second and let you know that you are the winner if you're not watching this video. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. On a high level, I am shorting NQ right now. This is my setup here using the fibs. I'm also long on Amazon, a lot in Amazon, Google, Microsoft, a few tech names. Nvidia was the big winner that we had. And from 95 to 122. Okay, so it's still going right there. Thank you so much, guys. When I end the broadcast, please leave a comment and a like, and I'll see you again next time. And don't forget, if you guys want to secure the $100 deal, grab it on my website. It'll be a one-time charge for life. You'll get to see my screen share for life plus the book. Take care.